Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a very quick and easy, budget-friendly meal. We're going to be making Sloppy Joe garlic bread. The ingredients that we're going to need today are adobo all-purpose seasoning or the seasoning of your choice, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, 16 ounces of Sloppy Joe sauce, garlic bread, 1 pound of ground beef, and also 8 ounces of sharp cheddar shredded cheese. Okay guys, you want to get a baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil and place your garlic bread onto it. We're going to place it in our oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Now in a heated skillet, we're going to add in our ground beef. Go in and break it down. Now we're going to go ahead and season our meat. I'm going to add some adobo on, ground black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder. You guys season the meat the way that you like. Just make sure everything is well combined. And you're going to continue to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is done, you want to remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease. Now you can add in your can of Sloppy Joe sauce. I like using the bold one. It has a nice flavor to it. So we're just going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. I'm going to let it heat up for a couple minutes. Now that your garlic bread is out of the oven, we're just going to take our Sloppy Joe mix and we're going to spread it out over top of our garlic bread. Now we're going to take our shredded cheese and go over top of our Sloppy Joe mixture. Once you're done, we're going to place it back into our 400-degree oven until all the cheese has melted. Okay guys, look how nicely the cheese melted. Now it's time to plate it. Okay guys, so here we have it, our garlic bread Sloppy Joes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?